Hello. I am Tutor Nathan. And as always your personal English tutor. How is everyone today? How are you doing, Your Highness?
Hello, Tutor Nathan. I am well, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, Your Highness. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome. What are we going to be discussing today?
I am glad you asked, Your Highness. We will be discussing moods.
Oh, you mean like happy, sad, cheerful?
Not quite, Your Highness. As I was trying to say, we will be talking about moods in English grammar. Did you know that there are 5 grammatical moods, Your Highness?
No, I didn't. What are they?
I am glad you asked. They are conditional, imperative, indicative, interrogative, and subjunctive. And of course you can follow along on our webpage. The link will be in the description below. Are you ready to start, Your Highness?
Yes, I am.
Great. Let's start with the conditional mood. We use this mood when we are talking about conditional sentences. We also have to use an auxiliary verb in with this mood. For example, in this sentence, if I was taller, I would play basketball. You can see in this sentence that we used a modal auxiliary verb, and the main verb is play. Let's move on to the next one now. The next grammar mood is the imperative mood. If you remember, we use imperatives when we are giving orders or commands and not suggestions. Suggestions are politely requesting someone or something to do something, and usually have a yes or no, unlike imperatives where you have no choice. Such examples of imperative moods are watch out, always eat your vegetables, call me at 7 o'clock. Those are just to name a few.
The next mood is the indicative mood. Is that right, Tutor Nathan?
Sure, Your Highness. Go right on ahead.
Thank you, Tutor Nathan. When we use the indicative mood, we use it for when something is true and is a fact. Also, when we use this mood, we must use the verb as it is expressing itself as a statement of fact. For example, in this sentence, I enjoy going to dances and balls. You can see the verb enjoy is expressing a fact about myself. How did I do, Tutor Nathan?
You did great, Your Highness. And you are correct. Do you want to continue? Or should I continue, Your Highness?
I'm glad I did well. But yes, you can continue.
Okay, Your Highness. The next mood is interrogative mood. We use this mood when we want to ask questions about something or someone. The question must always contain an auxiliary verb. For example, in this question, are you going to keep watching this video? We can see here that the auxiliary verb for to be are, and the main verb is going. And lastly, the last mood we can use in English grammar is the subjunctive mood. We use this mood to demand, doubt, hypothetical situation, or a wish. And the verb always changes when we use this mood. For example, in this sentence, the Queen made me eat dinner with her last night. We can see that this would be an example of a demand statement. Because when we use made in a sentence like this, someone is demanding someone to do something. And in this sentence, I don't think we will ever get to 1,000 subscribers. In this sentence we are expressing doubt that the channel will reach 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe if you already haven't. That is all the moods in English grammar, Your Highness. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't, but what about our viewers?
If they have any questions, they can always ask me in the comments below. I will be more than happy to answer them. I think that will finish our lesson and discussion on moods in English. And thank you for watching this video. If you learned something new, please give this video a like and a share. And please check out our other videos. Is there anything you would like to say to our viewers, Your Highness?
Oh, right. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. And I hope to see everyone in the next video.